Example number 19. Determine the equation of a circle, its center and radius from completing the square. This is another example to determine the equation of the circle, its center and radius from completing the square. And from the given equation, if the given equation is in this form, 8x squared plus 8y squared minus 16x minus 32y plus 8 equals to 0. When you look to the equation, can I take something common here? Yes. I can take 8 common everywhere. Therefore, my new expression will be in this shape. Look, the variables were mixed with each other. Therefore, I took negative 16x with the 8x squared. Just bring this negative 16x squared with the 8x squared. And similarly, I took 8y squared and put it here with a negative 32y. Put all the x variable terms on one side and y variable terms on another side. And bring the constant to the right side. So when I put positive 2 to the right side, it will be negative 8. When you look to 8x squared minus 16x, 8 is common, so take 8 common. So when you take 8 common, I will left with x squared here, and I will left with negative 2x, because 8 times negative 2 will be negative 16. Just take 8 common from here and from here. Similarly, can I take 8 common from 8y squared and from 32y? Yes. Just take 8 common. So it will be y squared, and here is negative 4y. Negative 4 times 8 will be negative 32. So just take 8 common from here and from here. And then put the constant to the right side, which is negative 8. Now when you look to these expressions, x squared minus 2x, I want to make it in a formula form by completing the square. This 2 is my mid value. So when I divide 2 by 2, it will be 1. So square root to the 1 is 1. I have to add 1 to this expression. Similarly, for y squared minus 4y, I want to make it in a formula form by completing the square. So for completing the square, I will pick this mid value 4. When I divide 4 by 2, it will be 2. So 2 to the 2 will be 4. I have to add 4 here and also add 4 to the right side. So let's do it. Pick the mid value here, which is 2 divided by 2. It equals to 1. Square of 1 will be same 1. So just add 1 here and also to the right side. Similarly here, pick 4 and divide it by 2. It equals to 2. Square of the 2 will be 4. Add 4 here and also to the right side. Which equals to 8 into x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 8 into y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals to minus 8 plus 8 plus 32. As I said, when you divide 2 by 2, it will be 1, so square of 1 is still 1. But look at here, I add 1 to this expression, but add 8 to the right side. Why? Because look, don't forget there is 8. So 8 times 1 will be 8. You cannot simply add 1 to the right side, because that is a product of 8. So don't forget this 8. 8 is a product. 8 times 1 will be 8. Similarly here, 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 2 to the 2 will be 4. So add 4 to this expression and also do the same to the right side. But I add 32. Why? Because look, there is 8. There is a product of 8. And never forget this 8. So 8 times 4 will be 32. Don't do this mistake. Don't simply add 4 to the right side if you have the product of something here. Similarly, don't add simply 1 to the right side if you have the product of something here. If you don't have any product, then you simply add 1 to the right side and also 4 to the right side. But there is a product of 8, so 8 times 1 will be 8, and 8 times 4 will be 32. These are just different types of equations that will be given. So far we have done different types of equation to find the equation of the circle, center and radius by completing the square. Can I write the above expression in this form? 8 into x minus 1 to the whole square plus 8 into y minus 2 to the whole square equals to 32. Because look, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 to the whole square. It is like a minus b to the whole square formula. But what about y squared minus 4y plus 4? It is like y minus 2 to the whole square formula. Look, when you open this term y minus 2 to the whole square, again you will get y squared minus 4y plus 4. Similarly, when you open x minus 1 to the whole square, you will get again x squared minus 2x plus 1. So both these two terms are equal to each other. It is the formula shape for this expression, and also it is the formula shape for this expression. For the right side, negative 8 plus 8 will cancel each other, and I will left only with positive 32. I will have positive 32 on the right side. Therefore, my new equation will be in this form. I divide both the sides by 8. When I divide this side by 8, this 8 will cancel and this 8 will cancel. 32 divided by 8 will be 4. I will left with the 4 on the right side when I divide both sides by 8. Therefore, I have only x minus 1 to the whole square and y minus 2 to the whole square equals to 4. So this will be the perfect equation of a circle. From the formula of a circle, which is x minus h to the whole square plus y minus k to the whole square equals to r square, my h is 1 and k is 2. There is negative sign here, therefore my h is positive 1. There is negative sign, therefore my k is positive 2. My r square is 4. Remember, it is r square, not r. So when you shift it in r square form, it will be 2 square. This 2 will be the radius of the circle. Therefore, I can write that the center of the circle is h comma k, which is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is the center of the circle. The radius r equals to 2. 2 is the radius of the circle. What will be the graphical representation? Let me draw it graphically in xy plane. This is the center of the circle, which is 1 comma 2 with the radius 2. This will be the graphical representation. My center is h comma k, which is 1 comma 2. H is 1 and k is 2. It means that positive 1 along x-axis and positive 2 along y-axis, positive 1, and positive 2 along y-axis, 1, 2. The center is at positive 1 along x-axis and positive 2 along y-axis, with the radius r equals to 2. So when you count this radius up to the border, everywhere it is 2 points away. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everywhere it is 2 points away. That's how this equation looks graphically. We had 3 objectives: equation of the circle, which we got it here, center of the circle, which is 1 comma 2, and radius of the circle, which is 2.